ना स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ ही गया हो कि गवर्नमेंट बजट क्या है. गवर्नमेंट बजट, द एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बजट इज एन एनुअल स्टेटमेंट showing item wise estimate of receipts and expenditure during the fiscal year. Means इसमें गवर्नमेंट की बजट हैज टू पार्ट्स, दैट इज फर्स्ट इज रिसिप्ट्स and other is expenditure. On the receipt sides, whatever will be the income received by the government throughout the year, it should be written, and whatever will be the expenditure the government has made on different production areas, or providing subsidies, and also for the maintenance of law and order and other expenditures, that will be in the expenditure sides. So government budget is an annual statement which showing both, that is the receipts as well as an expenditure of the government during the year, and that is known as the fiscal year. Fiscal year, fiscal means the financial year, which starts from 1st April and ends at 31st March. Government is preparing the budget for having some objectives. That is, for preparing government budget, there must be some objectives of the government which has to be fulfilled. So there are different objectives of the government. The one of the objective of the government is, first one is reallocation of resources. Reallocation of resources, that government is making the budget, and through this budget government is reallocating the resources, student, that already you studied that resources are scarce, that in our country the resources are scarce, and these scarce resources are, we have to use in a proper way. That means the allocation of resources should be done properly, so that we have everything for our fulfilling our wants. So government is redistributing the resources, and how government is redistributing resources? By, first is by the tax concession and providing subsidies. Next is directly producing goods for consumers. So this is the first objective of government budget, that government budget इसलिए बनाती है so that government is reallocate the resources. Reallocate the resources, already the resources are allocated, but government is reallocating these resources in such a way that we have both, we can achieve both profit maximization as well as social welfare. That is, the aim of the government is basically social welfare, but for running his activities it needs funds also, so profit maximization is also there, but not means we are having both together. That is, profit maximization should be achieved by social welfare only. So the government is reallocating the resources, that he is restricting the harmful products, production of harmful goods, and he is encouraging the goods which are generally used by the poor people and which are directly satisfy the consumer wants. So government is reallocating the resources. First, government is taking the help of tax concession and subsidies. Tax concession and subsidies, that government is giving tax concession in doing investment in those areas where it is backward areas are there, and then in the areas where the production is generally needed. So government is giving concessions in making investment in those areas or those production activities, and also providing subsidies. Government is also providing subsidies so that the people will encourage you to produce such goods which are needed by the consumers. And in this way, government is reallocating the resources in such a way that, first of all, we have to produce the goods which are generally used by the general public. That means the goods which are needed by every consumer. And then second is directly producing goods for the consumer. There are the goods, there are the production areas where no much profit is not there, and in those areas the private sector is not much interested in producing the goods, like sanitation, water supply, and electricity and other things also. In those areas the private sector is not much interested in doing production activities because not much profit is there. So in these areas government is directly taking the responsibility of producing goods. So another objective of government budget is, government is planning in the budget so that government can have funds for production of those goods which are generally needed by the poor people also and by the public, which is not produced by the private sector. So in this way, government is reallocating the resources. These resources should be allocated in a budget. Government is making the budget. While making the budget, government should be keep in mind that the resources are first which used for the things which is more important for us. मतलब हमें जो resources हैं, scarcity है, उनको पहले हमें उसमें use करना है जो हमारे लिए ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And we should not use the resources in the production of harmful goods or harmful things like liquor, cigarettes, etc. First of all, we have to use the scarce resources for the production of necessary commodities, and then subsequently we have to allocate the resources for other things also. And then the government is giving tax concession for doing investment in backward areas in for the production of those commodities which are generally needed by the people. And also government is providing raw material for the subsidized rates in that will be the planning in the budget. And also government is directly producing those goods which are not produced by the private sector and which are generally used by the poor people.